Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Kling AI subscription. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so we need to head on over to the official site of Kling AI, which is klingai.com. From here, once we're on this page, we need to click on the create button on the top right hand corner of the page. Now this is going to take us to the app. Kling AI app. From here on the left hand side, make sure to sign in. If it says profile page, that means you are signed in. Below that, it's going to say subscribe or manage. So go ahead and click onto that button. Then from here, this is where we can go ahead and manage our subscription. So from here, you're in manage membership plans. From here below that, it will say your current subscription and also what type of subscription you have active. Now under current subscription on the right hand side, it's going to say cancel. So go ahead and click on that cancel button. Then from there, you might need to verify your email. So enter your account email address to receive a verification link, then confirm cancellation. So open the verification email, click the provider link to confirm your cancellation. Now, after your cancellation, you retain access to premium features until the end of your current billing cycle. There is no automatic refunds are provided for any unused time.